this is the ultimate cheat code. Prep the fruits and vegetables first. Make those available right away. You know, even if you're serving them in the raw, fresh form. But if you prep them first, you're not going to run out of time, you know, because it is an ordeal to do home cooked meals. It is, you know, you do get to the point where you're like, oh God, not another dirty dish. Or, oh, I'm so sick and tired of cutting things up. I don't want to dirty the cutting board. All of that is real talk. So if you just start with your fresh produce, with your prep and with making it available, you will find that just that act alone will drive forward or drive up your family's consumption.
Absolutely. Or just even advance the option of like, hey, I'm actually going to cook tonight. It's a lot easier when you know you have things prepped, Lori. I mean, it is for me.
Yeah.
And when we get in and back with school, my schedule is a little bit more relaxed, and I love to prep usually on Sunday or Mondays at least 2 or 3 meals for the week, and it just makes it so much easier.